Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to publish Canva designs to Instagram. Alright, let's begin. Once you've finished editing your Instagram post in Canva, click Share in the top right corner. Then select See All, and then scroll down to select Instagram under Socials. Now, Canva will give you two options: post immediately using the mobile app or schedule posts using the desktop version. For most users, the mobile option is better, so click Post from the mobile app and then Continue. You'll see a QR code. Scan it using your phone. This will open Canva in your mobile browser and prompt you to download the Canva app. Download and install the app, since uploading directly to Instagram from Canva's web version is restricted by Instagram. After installing, open the Canva app and log in. Tap the three lines at the top left corner to access your recent designs. Select your Instagram design from Recent or Projects. Next, tap Download in the top right corner. Then choose Instagram from the options. You can select whether to publish it as a post, story, or message. Choose Post. Canva will open your Instagram account, allowing you to write a caption and click Share. If Instagram is linked to your Facebook, the post may be shared there too, unless you uncheck that option. So that's basically how you can publish Canva designs to Instagram. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.